For joining us for another episode. In this episode, we're going to cover how to install a gutter guard and gutter edge together. Are you a homeowner? Your gutter's continuously clogging? For another episode. In this episode, we're going to talk about invasion of bugs. Look at this stud. Oh, fix the mustache.
What if you had
Thanks for
handlebars?
joining us for another episode. In this episode, we're going to cover how to install a gutter guard with gutter edge. Are you getting new gutters installed? Are you looking to eliminate the gutters from continuously clogging, eliminate the staining on the outside of the gutter? Really not sure what to do? In this video, we're going to give you an exact demonstration, a quick demonstration on how to install a gutter guard and gutter edge. Just to give you a little brief information, the gutter guard, no matter what gutter guard you get, the solid hood types, you get the aluminum perforated, the micro guards, they're all going to need to be periodically cleaned, and that's so important. Most contractors will not tell you that, but we still recommend a gutter guard. A gutter guard is there mainly to make it manageable, and what I mean by that is if you don't have a gutter guard and you have trees like this customer has, you clean them out twice a year, you're going to get 60, 70%, max 80% flow rate. That means 30, 40% of the year your gutters are just going to be clogged and overflowing. So that's where a gutter guard comes into play. The gutter guard is going to make it manageable. It's going to keep the gutters clean in between your cleanings. If you get sold on a guard that you don't have to clean, you're going to be like most of the other homeowners that don't like gutter guards because they were sold something they were never, thinking they were never going to have to do nothing. And that's the problem with the gutter guards. A lot of times you purchase it for that reason, you're getting it for the wrong reason. As long as you're purchasing a gutter guard for the right reason, you'll like the gutter guard. And it's basically there to make it manageable. So let's give you the demonstration on how to install. We are actually going to install the aluminum perforated gutter guard today. We prefer that over most of the other guards. We don't endorse any specific guard, so this is a non-bias review and a non-bias installation. We prefer this guard because it's more affordable and it's very easy to maintain. Here now, I'm just going to give you a quick demo on how we install this. So just to give you a quick run over, we just installed this new gutter here. We're still finishing off the hangers. We got some of them already clipped in. So once you get the hangers in, you're going to come along, screw them in. Now when you screw them in, you want to make sure this drip edge is not behind the gutter. You want to make sure it's in front of the gutter so water doesn't go behind the gutter. So as you can see that the drip edge is actually into the gutter. Okay, so that's pretty much screwed in there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to install the gutter edge. This is gutter edge, and basically what gutter edge does, it's pretty simple. When it rains, water hits the top lip of this gutter, sticks to the gutter, drips off the bottom edge of the gutter, creates a staining on the face of the gutter, but it will also oxidize the gutter. After about 7 to 8 years of rain hitting this edge, it'll wear the paint finish off the gutter. Right now it has a nice white high gloss paint finish, so the gutter edge will eliminate not just the staining, it'll eliminate the oxidation of the gutter. 5-10 years from now, you'll still have that nice white shiny gutter. So that's why we recommend the gutter edge. And this is how you install the gutter edge with the gutter guard. So we got the hanger, we got the gutter all screwed in. Now this is how the edge just clips on. You snap it onto the gutter. Got your hangers all screwed in with the gutter. You got your gutter edge now clipped on. Now you'll come along with the gutter guard here. And basically the gutter guard, you'll take the gutter guard to the end of the gutter, obviously, and you'll just, it snaps right in, sits right on top of the gutter edge. Get your drill here. Now what you'll do is when you zip this gutter guard in, this particular gutter guard is called SureFlow. This is an aluminum perforated gutter guard. These are one of the guards we recommend. They're easy to maintain and they're very affordable. What you'll do is you start on the one end of the gutter guard and you'll do about every 5 holes. There's little divots on the front of this gutter guard. So about every 5 divots, you'll go ahead and you'll screw them in. Once you're done, see, when you're putting that screw in there, it's screwing down the gutter edge and the gutter guard at the same time. So it's pretty basic. It's not real hard to do the insulation of the gutter edge and the gutter guard at the same time. One more right here at the end. Put the edge on, you got the gutter guard, put the screw in here, and then you're going to put run right in the back. Make sure it's behind the drip edge. So just like that. So you'll have a screw here, you put a screw there in the back. That makes the gutter, the guard, and the edge solid, so strong. So that's basically it. That's how to install new gutters with a gutter edge and with an aluminum perforated gutter guard. This one in particular is the SureFlow, but any of the aluminum perforated gutter guards, this is basically how it'll go during installation. You'll continue this down the run in the gutter, and then that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining us. Until next time.